It is time to make your ex regret losing you. Hello, guys, and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I'm your relationship expert. And in this video, I want to tell you that getting back with an ex is not what you want. It is not what you expect. And it should not be your goal. Because every time you want to get back with your ex, you will give them attention, you will be needy, you will be available, you will try to do good, and nothing of that has worked so far. So if I'm here today, it's because I want to tell you there is a new way to get your ex back. And this new way is by regaining the control. It's by making your ex regret losing you. I've coached so many people who told me, but Alex, if I'm doing what I was supposed to do, my ex would be mad at me. And the answer is yes, and this is what we are looking for. If your plan was to travel the world, you need to go and travel the world, even if you're not together anymore. Because if you stop living for your ex, they will understand or they will think that they were right. You cannot live without them, that you need them. And unfortunately, this behavior, that I call it the Walt Disney behavior, when we think that we live in a fairy tale, in Hollywood movies, where we think that love is easy, love is fun. The reality when you're a love coach is that love is very difficult. Love is not what we think. And so my goal today as your relationship coach is to tell you, if you wake up every single day, not thinking I want my ex back because I love them, I want my ex back because I know we can be happy together, but if you wake up every single day, telling yourself, I want my ex to regret their decision. I want my ex to open their eyes on my behavior and my changes. This will fuel your energy. This will give you some strength, some confidence. It will also help you feel better and be better. So I know it's not what you want to hear, but you have tried things. You have done the no contact, you have done the letter, you have tried to communicate with your ex, and the results were always the same. Your ex was pushing you away. Your ex didn't want to come back, didn't even flinch. So, by doing this video, I'm here today because I want to show you that there is another way of thinking. And it's not bad. It's not bad to tell yourself, I want my ex to regret their decision. It's not bad to wake up every single day with this wish, because that's how you can change your attitude. That's how you can change your behavior. That's how you can change your value as well. And I understand it's not easy. Trust me. My only one thing that I want you to open your eyes on, it's the moment you want to make your ex regret losing you, we start the reattraction process. It's not anymore a breakup. It's not anymore a relationship. It's actually the opposite. It's attraction, it's connection, it's moment that we have to spend together. And that is fun. That is amazing. That is exciting. Where when we think about a relationship, we think about the breakup and the dispute and the arguments and all of this. So please, it's time for you guys to change your mindset. And it starts exactly when you wake up. And it starts with you. So I don't want you to be mad at your ex. I don't want you to be negative. I don't want you to be angry. I want you to show that you are building an amazing life. So the first thing I talked about it previously, what were the actions, the goals? What did you want to accomplish when you were with your ex? Because it's time to do it right now. That's the first thing we need to do when we want to make someone regret, is to show them that we are able to do the things. We are able to move forward. That's step number one. Step number two, what are the new activities that you can implement? And I will be direct with you because I've coached so many people. I know when you are bullshitting me or not. If you tell me, yes, but Alex, I'm busy, I have to do a lot, that's all excuses. I was coaching an amazing woman that lives in the US but traveled the world, and every time she travels, she can't go out. I said, why? Because I'm too busy, I'm tired, because I want to rest. The reality is that before that, when she was in a relationship, she was traveling with her boyfriend. They were not husband, but they were boyfriend. And they were going out. So why now are you stopping this? If you can do it with your ex, you can do it for yourself. Let me repeat that. If you can do it with your ex, you can do it with yourself. And the moment you start to implement this mindset, you will feel empowered instead of staying needy and available. So I want you to make sure that you will, first of all, smash the like button and subscribe to Love Advice TV. But also to realize that making your ex regret losing you means doing things that you were supposed to do, doing things that are new once a week. Once a week. Making sure that you take care of yourself. You need to go get a haircut. You need to change the way you dress. You need to do professional photo shoot. These are things that you will remember the rest of your life. So don't push back. Don't avoid to act. Don't avoid to take into consideration your situation. Tip number 4. If you want to make your ex regret losing you, never show your feelings. Never show your emotions, at least the negative ones, because every time you will talk about how difficult it is, how hurtful it is, how negative you are, how sad you are, you will just push your ex away. Or I love to say that you will give them some strength because they will realize that you need them. And so if you need me, what is the risk? The risk is I can't be very attracted towards you because you need me. But if you don't need me, if you're going out, if you're doing new things for yourself, if you make sure that you have your own project, if you make sure that every time you talk to me, it's fun, then I want you. You're sexy in my eyes. So tip number 4, make sure to always communicate about the positive emotions. Make sure that you always focus on bringing the positivity. Make sure that you will be happy, confident, and this is exactly what we are going to show to that person. And I know it's not easy. And I know you have a lot of things in your mind. But one thing that I really want you to realize right now is that this mindset and these 4 tips have helped dozens of thousands of people to get back together. Not playing games, not manipulate each other, not doing things that are not real, but by changing and becoming the best version of themselves. That's what we are committed to do at Love Advice TV. So that's why I want you to smash the like button, subscribe. And so that is the reason why we have helped so many people getting back together and being happy. So I want to tell you that I am known as the #1 relationship coach in the world because I have a team in France, in Brazil, in Spain, in Italy, and of course in Germany and in the US. I am focused on this push and pull technique that will give you some strength, that will allow you to make your ex regret losing you. I don't want you to play games, but I want you to change your mindset. If you want to learn more about it, I have done a masterclass. It was live and now it's pre-recorded just for you. You have to click in the description box below. You can look at this link and you can enjoy this video. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes of content on how can you regain control. Instead of you being the needy one, you being chasing them, you need to regain control. Okay? So I really want you, please, to be confident and to make your ex regret losing you. If you want to go further, if you want to talk to me, we can do it. You just have to go on withmyexagain.com/coaching. You can book a single session or you can book a call if you want a bigger package. Bigger package means calls, emails, emergency. If you have any text message, you want me to help you, we are on it together. That's what I do every single day. That's why we have so much success. But that's also the reason why you have to change your mindset. If you want to get back with your ex by begging and crying, I can't be your coach. Okay, guys, I will see you very soon. Please watch again this video. Make sure that you subscribe to Love Advice TV. Go grab your free push and pull video in the description. And if you want more coaching, come on with my ex again. Let's do it together. I see you soon, guys. Take care.